Hey, what's going on, y'all? Today we're about to start on my dually, and we got it loaded up. I'm gonna show y'all what we're working with. As y'all can see, we got the dually on the car hauler here, got us a truck there, and this 5500 winch, Apex winch, it worked out really well. I don't know what it is, but I don't think you can do it any better than that, man, unless you planned it on pencil and paper. And I didn't do it. This is all on a whim and whatnot. So this truck is going to get a little minor surgery done so we can start working on it and enacting the plans that we have for it. So y'all tag along. All right, y'all, we about to get on the road and get to this shop, and I'll see you when we get there. We're here at Trick Toys here in Moore, Oklahoma, where they do plasma color drops, you name it, y'all. And the owner is Garrett Jones. And if you definitely want to get the underbed notch fabricated for your vehicle, OBS, new BS, NBS, all the OBSs, that kind of stuff, this is the guy for you. So we're here, and we're getting to the point where we're ready to take this thing off the trailer.
Be front heavy, check. Or back heavy, check. The price can be up on corner. Feeling it pop out?
Yeah, we did.
Perfect. Pops up. Good.
This is my first time seeing the frame like this, y'all, and I'm pretty excited and happy about the overall condition. There's rust, there's scale rust, but there's not anything rusted through. So I'm gonna hit this thing with wire brush and a flap disc and go back with that Krylon satin. You all gonna see that in future video, but yeah, man, I am excited about this. This is gonna be awesome and a lot of work, but very short work. So let's go.
How many logos we got on there? 8 total? Yeah, we got a total of 8 logos all over the truck.
Nice. Well, you need to stamp it, man, because that's the only way they're gonna know that.
Show them the battery box here.
Battery carrier here in the back here. That's coming soon. It is.
The front end's pretty rad too.
Another logo, y'all. Yeah, I wanted this kit for my step side, 88. Something I'm gonna have to get done, for sure. I just saw that one.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
I learned a long time ago, an artist always finds his work.
That's true. So what you see they're doing right now, they're actually cutting the top portion of the frame 12 inches long, about a 1/4 inch thick. And what is that gonna do? It's gonna allow this weld-in underbed notch to fit over the frame and still have contact with the lower portion of the frame.
There you go.
Nice. What I want to point out here, you all, is do not trust the location of the factory bump stops. They are not always at the center of the differential, okay? And according to Garrett, through his experience in doing these hundreds of times, maybe thousands, definitely mark the differential once you lift it up. Don't trust the factory bump stops. Hey you all, I want to say here real quick, I gotta give credit where credit is due. The Badland Apex 5500 winch is a lifesaver, you all. I'm gonna put a card either in the video or in the description where I made this thing portable, where you can put it on the car hauler, you can put it on the back of the truck, you can put it on a UTV, ATV, wherever the case may be, you all. This thing is a beast when it comes to moving heavy vehicles, as you can see with this 1-ton dually, and it's easier to move the winch as well. So definitely check that out.
I'm excited to see what you.
Been watching Garrett for a long time on Facebook. And I said, screw it, I'll at least go 5'8". The worst that can happen, I just get to.
I want to see Garrett cry, then roast the crap out of us.
All right, y'all. So we got the truck back in front of the shop, and I'll be honest with you, I'm really impressed with what got done to the truck today. The guys at Trick Toys, Garrett, Paige, and the rest of the guys there, they did a phenomenal job in welding in this underbed notch. I'm going to do a lot of towing with it, and I know and heard and understood from my research and talking to other people, the underbed welded in notch is going to be a lot stronger than your bolt-in C notches. So that's the reason why we did that. So please like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, because the next videos are going to be this truck get blown apart and being put back together. With all that being said, see you next time.